Abscissa of all the points on the x-axis is, we have four options. Option A is 0, option B is 1, option C is 2, and option D is any number. So for that, I hope you know what is abscissa. If not, just look at it. Abscissa is nothing but x-axis coordinates, which means this is your x-axis. So all the coordinates on x-axis are abscissa. Whenever you plot any point anywhere, then whatever you get as the x-axis coordinate, that is known as abscissa. Which means the value of abscissa will always come from this range, which extends till infinity on both the ends. Now since you have understood abscissa now, it makes the question so much easy. Abscissa of all the points on the x-axis. So we have this x-axis. Abscissa means x-axis coordinates which will fall on this line itself. Means if we take, let's say, just to understand a point on this line, let's say this one. What will be its coordinate? It will be 11, 0 because there is no movement on y, no distance on y-axis. So we have 11, 0. Let us say we have another point over here on x-axis. Its coordinate will be -7, 0, as we have no distance on y-axis, only x-axis is present because it is abscissa. And we are talking about x-axis only. So we are not leaving this x-axis. All the points that we are talking about or we have to take will fall only on this x-axis, not outside, not here, not here, not here, not here, or not anywhere else. Simply on this line. So whenever you take any point on this line, you can see that we are getting a number over here as the distance on x-axis that we have to mention, but on y-axis we get 0. What does it mean? In this case, it means that here we can have any number, plus or minus, but here we will always have 0 as we are not moving any distance on y-axis that is already given in the question because of x-axis. So what is our answer? What is x? It is any number extending on x-axis till infinity. So our answer is D, any number. So you see, it's just a basic understanding question. You have to understand and visualize a bit along with the graph paper, and you will get the answer with no efforts at all. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.